Lockpicking legend.
You're watching Lockpicking Legend, and have we got something bizarre for you today? And it's not even a real bizarre something. Every other one of these I've seen has been called a grip lock, but this one is called a caps lock. You know, like a computer keyboard. What, eh? This is a very cheap pick made by Huck, who have made some of the worst lockpicking tools in history. It really should be Huck with a silent P. And even this, and it's a 7-pin tubular pick. And that's the other thing. In all the grip locks I've seen, they've had disc detainer locks. But this one's got this shoddy 7-pin tubular lock. And even a Huck pick can get you in. Look at that. And you're in. You know, if your motorbike is worth securing, it's worth securing properly. You don't want to get back to your £3,000 motorbike, notice it's missing, and see your caps lock on the floor, your $7.99 piece of beep on the floor, and be like, what? Go back to the shop. I bought this off you, and well, my motorbike's gone. Yeah, sorry, mate. Sometimes that happens. Caps lock.
Lockpicking legend.